dito si Julie Dondon Patidongan. Nakipag-meeting po ba siya sa inyo? Kasama po niya yung kanyang mga abogado?
Maybe. In the process.
Sir, ano po yung napag-usapan? Ano po yung na-discuss?
Updates.
Sir, nag-submit na ba siya ng affidavit?
Clarifications and updates.
Nag-submit na po ba siya ng affidavit? Aside from yung sinabit sa NACOL mo?
Hindi, meron pa sa kaming pinag-uusapan na ibang
Opo. Sir, yung para lang po sa viewers natin, gaano po ka-importante yung makausap niyo po siya ngayon?
Hindi, mahalaga yan kasi siyempre yung demeanor ng witness dapat talaga kabisado namin. And so far, so good. So far, so good. Very reliable siya.
Opo. Sir, meron na po ba siyang anything na isinabmit sa inyo? Like a document?
Okay, we're still getting some information and clarifications about everything. Kasi marami talaga siyang data na alam eh. Marami siyang alam talaga. So, we have to know what he knows.
Sir, may mga bago ba siyang sinabi? Like for example, area kung saan pwede mag-sir?
Wala. Hindi yun ang pinag-usapan namin. We were talking about some other people who may be involved. And we'll see.
Sir, dun po sa other people who may be involved, mga gaano karami na po yung tinitignan natin from when we started?
Marami na.
Mga how many, sir?
Maybe more than 30.
More than 30. 30.
What's next, sir? Masubmit mo pa na ba ng...
No, yun na. We're going that to the process. Yun ang ating itinatrabaho.
Nag-request ba siya, sir, na maging state witness?
That's between us muna. Pinag-uusapan pa namin.
Sir, is
Kasi ano yan eh, we have to put everything within the context of the prosecution service. Yun naman papel ng DOJ, di ba? So we're bringing it to that context of the prosecution service where we can help each other.
Sir, naka-WPP na po ba siya?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Pero the door is always open. The door is always open.
Masama po yung nagay ng panahon na yun. Paano po yung operations po na ginagawa ng PCP?
Hindi, ano muna, hold lang yun kasi yun nga, the weather does not permit us to carry out a good search. So, kaya sinasabi ko 6 months kasi marami talaga tayong bubunuin na conditions para maging complete yung ating search.
So today, sir, yung underwater na dive operations?
Called off muna ngayon. Called off, suspended.
Hanap, sir, kasi
Hindi, ano ba yan? Kasi marami kaming facts na pinag-aaralan. So we can separate the drug war from the isabong, but still looking at the intersections where they meet. Marami kami ina-evaluate talaga ngayon na data because that's what it is, you know. It's a history of everything happening for the past so many years.
Any updates, sir, sa organization in
Japan
Japan?
wala pa. Yeah, for the past 10 years siguro we have to review the universe of facts that are there that we have to take into consideration for us to prepare good cases that can really withstand any test.
Sir, may pumunta ng kamag-anak. Yung tatlong suspended sa Lowell.
Wala pa. Ano lang, basta we're also continuing to get the DNA of yung mga nawawalan ng isabong people. Mga kamag-anak nila, we're also calling on them to come forward so we can put them into the DNA bank that we need. Kasi we're trying to establish a DNA bank so the isabong victims can be identified properly.
Sir, yung dun sa Laurel na hinukay, ano po ba talaga?
Ayun nga, nililinaw pa namin kasi nga, we're still trying to get the police report. But I can probably give you a better update next week about that.
Sir, other topic, yung ICC kay Senator Paco, may magiging papel ba if ever DOJ?
Hindi pa alam eh. Wala pa. Okay, thank you.
Happy weekend, sir!